to introduce your class to the YouTube channel. This is my first video. I think you would like it and interact yourself with the YouTube channel. And it is possible for you. You will comment me. Whatever your question is, you comment me through YouTube channel. Okay. So in this class, I am here going to explain you about the kindness of tree. Kindness of tree. Okay. It's a poem. It's a poem. So through this poem, you will go through the tree and you will find how it is kindest in all that is given by the nature to us. Let's start the poem Tree. Okay. It is two-line stanza. In each line, it consists two lines. And in these two lines, in the first stanza, you will see poet describes, explains, and depicts the physical and geographical value of the tree. So, regarding the tree, you will think the poet says it is kindest in all. So it is the question, why it is kindest in all? It is kindest in all regarding its benevolent or its each and every part, its benevolent or it is very important, its each and every part is for others. A tree never use itself, its reproductions are resources that is made by itself. It gives, it serves, it donates each and every part of its life to human being and other creatures. So it is kindest in all. So it is kindest in all. There is no such a degree after kindest. Kind, kinder, and kindest. So kindest, it is in superlative degree. It is in superlative degree. So it is kindest in all. Where you will see, it is the source of fresh water. You know, it is the source of fresh water. Number one. Number two, fresh fruits. Cool shade for flowers, for timbers. So many things, and don't forget, we also get medicines. We also get medicines from the plant and trees. Medicines and each and every, as I mentioned you earlier, each and every part of the tree is useful. In this way, we call it kindest in all. It is the strange creation of the God for human being and other creature. It's unique, not only for the human being, for the whole nature. Okay, so one by one, how shall we get fresh water from the tree? Trees and plants are the source of fresh water. How? In this way, evaporation takes place each and every moment from the earth and lake, oceans and other way. Trees also helpful for evaporation, and evaporation happens through the root and leaves of the trees and plants, and it causes clouds in the sky and drops in the form of water, and these waters are stored in the soil, and again means this cycle, this process continue in the nature, and they make the moisture or create the moisture and try to means it's helpful in soil erosion also means they interrupt obstacles soil erosion from the land. So it is very useful in many ways like this water. And now we shall get fresh fruits also. Fresh fruits means different kinds of fruits are found in the different kinds of trees, variety of fruits we daily eat, and these are unique for us, and they are full and enriched with the vitamin, protein, fats and many more. Cool shade, in the cool shade of the tree you will see some of the birds sit on its branches, chat and enjoy taking the fragrance and scent of the flowers. Many kinds of butterflies and many kinds of birds can be seen in the branches of the trees. They take as their nest, as their house, as their shelter after the sunset, and flowers are useful for fermentation and pigmentation, and this is also the way of reproduction in plants and trees. Timbers. Mostly our houses are made up of wood, and these wood are used most of the timbers. Most and very popular trees for the timbers are teak, deodar and many others that we use to make our houses beautiful. So trees are kindest to all. Don't forget, it is also very important for the human being. How? When you walk on a open sunlight and you don't have a single shade to take few minutes, a few moment rest, it's very odd to you, but when you see a tree, you go under it and take sometimes rest, and you feel you are like a man who lives in a heaven. So it is very important for that also. And it is not only the thing to take rest. Many animals, when the pasture or the shepherd bring back to his cow or the animals, they take rest under the shade of this tree, and those sleepy cows are awakened by the pastures to again take them to the grassland to graze them. So it is the way not only human being but also whole creation of the bird depends on the trees and plants. Most of the people Now these days you see they are cutting down them each and every day, and it's all the deforestation. For our own few benefits, we cut them each and every day. Every day we don't think that these are the lifeline of human being and other creatures. So we have to be careful and we have to be attention, and we have to think that if we don't save tree, we can't save our life. So forthcoming generation, what we are going to give them? Nothing. So we have to grow a plant. Each one should grow a plant, and that will help all of us to save our life and save the life of other creatures of the nature. It is very important. And if you want to listen the chatting and echoes of the birds and other small creatures, you have to grow a tree that will help them to listen very sweet and melodious voice of those animals and birds from ocean. So guys, be careful yourself and happy with that. That means we have the strange and unique things in our life, that is tree. It is very kind to us. Now we discuss about the medicine giving plants. Many of us know what is medicines and how do they all come in our way. So basil, aloe vera, okay, aloe vera, neem. I give you some examples here, but in the same day you have to arrange some more other tree or the plants that we get medicines from. Make list of this, some more trees or plants around you, okay, and write them all. So what kind of fruits do we get? Fruits giving plants, and timber giving plants. These are the things you have to write down for your notes, and you have to write a summary of the poem also. Again, I would like to summarize you, and after getting the summary, you will think that you are able to understand it and go through the topic. So plants and trees are very important for us. It is kindest thing in all. Why it is kind? Because everything that we share with each and everyone, we get from the plants and the trees. Plants and trees give us fruits, timber, flowers, medicines, and many more. And it is also the source of shade for animals and birds, in which they come and they take rest, they chat, and they echoes with the melodious and sweet song of the bird. You can hear. You can also hear the song of the cuckoo and nightingale during the night, and you will get so many things from the plant. If there is no plant, there is no life. So remember it. That's enough for the today. And comment me and put your queries in the comment box. Thanks for the day. Have a nice day.